So the last probably thing is colors. So let's say if we get rid of that, we turn the background back on, you'll be drawing with the colors. So pick any of the brush, and colors are here. You can also shrink that bigger and then make it smaller, that's up to you. And then you can do double taps. So double tap is the blackest black. So if you pull the black, the code, which is where you see there values. So if you go on values section here on the bottom, hit values, when it's 0000, this is actually the black. If you go 1 mil there, it's a different code, it's not black anymore. So when you print stuff out, your printer will not gonna see that as a black. So if you go draw here, and if you just click somewhere there, it could not be black. So you could be printing out thinking, why the fuck printer is not printing out black? Because it's not black. Then if you go double tap here, it'll be the grayest grays, the whitest whites. So that's like the whitest whites. If you double tap there, the most saturated in between color, most saturated color, most saturated in between, and then so on and so forth. So you basically can double tap. That's like the middle color, I presume. But yeah, double tap, and then it works with every color. Yeah, just double tap. The green is green, and so on and so forth. Yeah, it's like a pure saturated color. Here you can see histories is the colors you used before. You can clear it because that's more for like people who paint stuff. And then here you can pick different ways of working. Some people like squares. I don't know if you can't really increase and decrease that. You can like play with saturations, like less saturated and purely saturated, the darkest and the lightest. And then here you just change any color. Harmony, these are basically your friendly colors. So if you do something with the purple, he recommends you to do yellow next to it. So when you see like a school tattoos, people can have a blue light on one side showing, and then fiery red on the other side, and then so forth. Again, you can pick any color you want, and it'll help you to like guide it. This is like a darker pastel, and this was more pure saturation. And again, you can just pick and choose what colors you want, and then as you can see, you can hold, press, and you can just delete them, and you can put in whatever other color you want to have. Values, this one's just, it's kind of the same. Like you can just make that color a little bit more, and then a little bit more bluish, and these are more for like painters. We don't really need that. As you can see, there's nothing in the history, and there's nothing in the history, and there's nothing in the history. And then you can basically create palettes. You can take a photo and it'll make a palette. Well, probably shouldn't really make any of these, but you can basically also bring an image in and it'll pick what colors the image is made of. Again, you don't need that. As much as you think it's cool, it's wasting time. You just need you need to know where the black is, where the white is, and the most saturated colors, and that's about it. And then you just draw with these nice solid blacks. So when you draw, you actually have a black line, and then you draw with red lines, and that's about it. You can make those saturations lower with this, so it's like less red, more red. If you're gonna go over the same area like this, because it's a multiply mode, if I'm not wrong, yes, then it will multiply those colors, so you make it twice as that. Sometimes you want to make a really light line, so you can make a faint line, so you can just shrink in saturation like this. But again, if you do multiply, it will do that. As in, like, if you don't release the pen, it will stay to the color. The moment you release a pen, it'll multiply the color. If you go like new layer, and then let's say if you draw this blah 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 on top of it, you can like play around, and there's where it becomes negative, it becomes positive, it cuts out, makes it black and gray, all sorts of options. Press and hold with a finger to pick up a color if you want to, then that color becomes that color. Like I said, you can drop colors. So you want that line to be black, you can just drop a black. Well, we're on the wrong layer. Let's get rid of that layer. But that line is red, we want a black, we just black out. We basically just drop on it. You want it back in red, touch that, it becomes more red. You can hit on those lines and you can clear them. You can invert them, they become blue. You can use selection tool. You can select the lines you just worked, and you can just shade those sections. If you go on brush, and then we pick airbrush, for example, and let's say soft blend, it is whatever, let's go pick a black, and we can just shade. Did we deselect? Yeah, we can shade those in black, the areas we just selected. We can use selection tool, we can use freehand, we can draw shapes we want to shade in, and you can drop there in a color. You can continue filling, so you can click on that, and then you can just continue select. Basically, if you have multiple areas selected, you can just drop in few. So what that would look like is, let's say if we use selection tool, this is probably where you can actually follow me. Selection tool, make some ovals, yeah, random ovals, random places. So let's say these are your petals for your flowers, yeah. Or let's say you draw a zebra or a cheetah or a tiger where you have multiple blacks, and you select multiple blacks at once because you don't want to be doing one by one. You select them all, and in the end we want all them black. You can drop in one. It says, do you want to continue? And you're like, yes please, and then you can just you can just drop in color, yeah, and then that way you can just continuously fill in. And then we deselect, and now we have multiple black areas which would take forever to draw and outline all that. You can just select them all, drop the color in, and that's all done. Again, because these are cut off, you can drop red in there. You can then drop a red, different red. You can drop a orange. You can just drop in and then drop in and drop in. That could happen. So that's about it. I physically do not know what else to say. I think you have passed the course.